Hey guys, welcome to this video. We're going to be doing division with decimals. We'll do this problem right here, 5.68 divided by 4. Step 1, I'm going to rewrite this as a long division. So it's going to be 5.68 divided by 4. Now with the decimal, as long as there's no decimal on the outside, as long as it's just on the inside, all you have to do is bring the decimal up. And now do long division like you normally would. How many times does 4 go into 5? One time. 1 times 4 is 4, subtract, we get our 1, and then we'll bring down the 6. So it's just a normal, typical long division problem. How many times does 4 go into 16? 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16, we subtract, and we have a 0. Now we'll bring down that 8. How many times does 4 go into 8? 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8, and we have 0 left over. This is the answer to the question, 1.42. If we check it, and the answer is 1.42. So that's how to do this one problem. If you want to try more of these, I have this page on andymath.com. I'll include a link down below in the description, but it's got several more decimal division problems you can try. A couple of them have videos, and there's also related pages for multiplying decimals. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you have any other math questions you want me to try out. I'll see what I can do. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.